Okay, we're in a 2010 KZ Inferno 3310 toy hauler. Up front we have a queen bed, new bed, good cabinetry. AC's on right now and it's very cold in here. The windows are, you can see the water on the windows to where it's that cold inside. Good storage right here. Nice bathroom right here. This also has the heat in the floors and the cold weather package. Refrigerator's on, ice cold, freezer works. There's no TV, but I have one to go with it. There's your stove, your oven. We already checked the propane, that works. Microwave works, water works, pump on the water works, heater on the water works. These two chairs, press the button, they're automatic and they fold down into a bed. And then this table here with the dinette folds down into the bed. And there's also a loft up there. So you've got 2, 4, 6, 8. You can fit 8 people in this. You have an 11-foot bed for your motorcycles in the back. Nice woodwork, nice stereo. Everything in turnkey operation. Fresh set of tires. No leaks, no mold. No cigarettes, no kids. But it does need a cleaning. They didn't clean the microwave. Refrigerator wasn't cleaned. But that's my job. Okay. Overall, very, very nice coach. That's about it. And there's my cleaning materials.